Griffith traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec. Departing runway 26 at Griffith.
Alright, clear on the left, clear on the right, and we'll go ahead and take off.
Alright, good to go.
Check this one more time here, make sure that we're good on that. 260, our heading, windsock, traffic, ceiling, good to go.
Alright.
And we'll lift nose wheel at what mile per hour, or knots?
Roll back at 50.
50, and climbing out at?
70 to 75.
Alright, sounds good. Climbing out at VY 75, best rate of climb. We're doing a regular takeoff. Keep it nice in the center. Airspeed's coming alive. Yeah, 50, lifting the nose wheel. Lowering the nose back down, picking up that airspeed while we're still in ground effect. And climbing out. Keep that right rudder correction in so we don't get left of the runway here. There we go. Beautiful day to fly.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we can go ahead and turn out to the south.
Alright. So runway 36. Gonna be this one.
36 and 18.
18. Okay,
yep,
so
it goes north and south.
Lansing traffic, helicopter 4 Delta Zulu is on a right downwind for taxiway parallel 18 Lansing. Helicopter, Cherokee 427 Golf, downwind for runway 27 Golf.
West traffic, Skyhawk 73 at Foxtrot uniform, we're clear 36 at the end, taxi back north ramp, Lansing.
Okay, hold it at 1600. Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec, turning left downwind for runway 36. We have that helicopter in sight. Go ahead, turn it. And what are the three things we're going to do once we get adjacent to the end of the runway?
full power back, mixture.
Mixture?
Carby.
Carby.
Yeah.
Don't pull my mixture back, alright? Alright, let's do it.
On the right base for taxiway parallel 18 Lansing.
And descend.
Lansing traffic, helicopter 420 final for taxiway parallel 18 Lansing.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra, Quebec, turn in base for runway 36, Lansing. Alright, 10 degrees of flaps on base. Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, final runway 36, Lansing. The flaps and find our aim point and start our descent down and in. Get down the aim point, nice and good. We're a little bit high, but that's fine. I'd rather you be a little high than low.
Alright.
Lansing traffic, Skyhawk 73 Foxtrot uniform, crossing 927 at Golf, Lansing.
Watch airspeed, don't go below 60 until you've made the runway.
Alright.
Lansing traffic, helicopter 73 Golf is on the go, taking off taxiway parallel 27 northwest departure.
Right. Car's coming back, bring it down for landing.
Oh, floating.
Lansing traffic, helicopter 4 Delta Zulu is on the go right traffic for taxiway parallel 18 Lansing.
Gotta follow through with it, follow through with it. Remember, you got a little bit of that wind out of the west, almost so that would have been a little left wing down into the wind, right rudder pedal to correct for it. Just follow on out through. Let's bring our carb heat in. Flaps coming up, and we'll do a departure on runway 7. How about that? All right. So that means that we'll have a little bit of a crosswind coming from the southway as well.
Lansing traffic, helicopter 4 Delta Zulu right downwind for taxiway parallel 18 Lansing.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, clear of runway 36, taxiing Gulf. Straight, straight. We're headed over to runway 27.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, departing runway 27 at Lansing.
Alright, clearing the left, clearing the right. I don't hear them saying that they're on final or anything to runway 18, so we'll go ahead and take off. There they are with the helicopter, so that's not a factor. Alright, power coming in. Do a regular takeoff. If anything, our winds are a little bit out of the south, so we'd want that correction in that way, not into the north. We don't have winds out of the north. Airspeed's coming alive. We have 50. Give rotation. In the center of the runway, nose coming down until we climb out of VY. A little bit more right rudder pedal there. Don't let the wind push you off though. Keeping the crab into the wind. Once we get to 1400, we'll turn out to the south.
Alright.
Lansing traffic, welcome to 4 Delta Zulu, is departing right traffic for 27 Lansing.
Go ahead and climb up to 2,500. And then fly direct your own navigation to Bult Field. Cross over this road, that's a good marker to go ahead and turn our base.
Alright.
And put our 10 degrees flaps on as long as we're within our airspeed. Careful we're not doing a steep turn here.
Oh yeah. Full traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, turning base, runway 27, Bolt.
Go ahead and slow down a little more. Looking good on the right and turning final.
Lansing traffic, Bolt traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, final runway 27, Bolt.
We pick our aim point and we just come right down on that. We grab it in, whatever wind we do have, which we don't have much wind, or much of a crosswind anyway. And then once we get that, then right before we touch down, just drop that wing down, lightly down into the wind, and then a little bit of opposite rudder pedal. Good to go. Doing good. We're a little bit fast. Go ahead and put on our next set of flaps. Don't forget those. We got plenty of runway, so let's just bring that power back. We've already made the runway, so power should be all the way back. Keep our descent down and in. Nice and easy. Follow through, follow through. Don't drive it off the runway. That rudder work, do that rudder work. Follow through with what you're doing, alright?
Alright.
Alright, so flaps coming up, carb coming in. Taxi back and do another one, alright?
Alright.